disc pads on a Citroen Dispatch, so that would obviously be the same if it's a fiat scudo, I think you pronounce it, or a Peugeot Export. This is an 08 model. Customer just wants the pads rather than the discs as well. The discs aren't really too bad. I just probably recommend that I change them next time, but okay this time. So we're just gonna change the brake pads. So 13mm bolt on the slider, one here and with one on the top there. Just undo these and I need a spanner on that one to hold it, and then we'll take those off. Put ones in. You on the spring. These ones look like you have to take the top bolt out as well. Let's remove, crikey, these pads were low. Take one out, and there's the one out. There we go. So, new pads on the left, old pads on the right. I wonder if you can tell the difference. No, he's definitely got his wear out of those ones. Clean up all these bits where the pads slide on, and need to push back the twin piston caliper. So push back the pistons. What we used is the old pad onto the pistons because it's double pistons, and a brake wind back that you can get from some different places. Push them back now. Time to fit. So, double pistons. So as we say, brake pad over the double pistons, and then we've got the wind back. We just need to put this on here to stop this bit of the wind back moving and the wind in. The new pad, already cleaned up the slider and other pad in into this and that, push it. Brake cable through and the caliper back on. Now put the new bolts in to lock the caliper in place onto the pads, and one at the top, one at the bottom. Once we do that, we'll reconnect the brake wear cable. So this wheel done, looks a bit better. Now we need to do the same on the other side, and that's the brakes done, or the pads changed, should I say.
We'll put these on and put these in, or
You can put those in, just the one back there. This.
and what to hold it.
That's the back facing.
Yeah.